In this video, I'll guide you through the process of connecting your Nintendo Switch controller to your iPad. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Connecting a Nintendo Switch to an iPad allows you to stream gameplay and use the iPad as a portable screen. It's a great way to enjoy Switch games on the go without needing a TV. To connect your Nintendo Switch controller to your iPad, you will need two essential items: an HDMI video capture interface and an HDMI adapter. These components are required for establishing a seamless connection between the devices. Start by ensuring that you have the necessary HDMI adapter that fits your iPad. The first step is to remove the HDMI port from your iPad and replace it with the HDMI interface. Once this is done, connect the HDMI interface to the HDMI adapter, which will allow the connection to your iPad. You can follow the same setup I used with the Ugreen device, which is a reliable option for connecting the two devices. After you've completed the physical connections, turn your attention to your iPad. Open the Capture app, which is the tool you'll use to manage the connection between the iPad and the Nintendo Switch. When prompted, make sure to grant permission for the app to access both video and audio signals from the HDMI connection. This allows the iPad to receive the necessary input from the Nintendo Switch, turning your iPad into a fully functional monitor for the console. Once the connection is established and everything is set up properly, you'll notice that the iPad begins to function as a Nintendo Switch screen. At this point, you can press the A button on your Switch controller to continue using your iPad as a display. With this simple setup, you can enjoy playing your Nintendo Switch on your iPad with ease. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.